Hello, good day viewers. Welcome to another mathematics presentation. So in this presentation, we are going to look at how we can solve quadratic equations using the quadratic formula. So we're going to start with our first question right here. So this is a question that came in Mathematics Paper 2 for 2018 for GCE candidates. Solve the equation x² minus 4x minus 2 equal to 0 using a quadratic formula. Okay. So let's see how we can answer it. So the first thing, we're going to write our question the way it is, which is x² minus 4x minus 2 is equal to 0. Then from here, we are going to write our quadratic formula that we can use to solve this quadratic equation. So this is our formula. X is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. Okay, then we divide everything by 2a. So this is our quadratic formula that we are going to use. Now here you can see we have b, there is also a, there is also c. So we need to find out what values are representing these variables. So what we have is x² minus 4x minus 2 equal to 0. So here the first x², this one with the highest power 2, its coefficient is a. So meaning that the coefficient of this x², right, it's a 1. Okay, then for b, we look at this x on the middle. So the coefficient of this x is a minus 4. So b is a minus 4. Then for c, it's just a negative 2. Okay, so these values are the ones that we are going to substitute right in our formula. Okay, so let's see how we can substitute them now. All right, so from there, we are going to write x equal to minus, this minus is on the formula. So where there is b, we are going to put a negative 4. So because there is a minus here, we can enclose it in brackets. We will say a minus 4 plus or minus square root of, so b is a minus 4, so say minus 4 in brackets squared, then minus 4, a it's a 1, then c it's a negative 2, which is right here, then over 2a. What is our a? It's a 1. So from here we are going to have x equal to negative is a positive, just write 4 plus or minus the square root of, so negative 4 in bracket squared, it means negative 4 times negative 4, which is a 16. Then negative times this negative, it's a positive. 4 times 1, it's 4. 4 times 2, it's 8. So here we are going to have 8 over 2 times 1, it's a 2. I hope you are following. This is very easy. Okay, so from here, what are we going to do? From here, what are we going to do? So what we are going to do is we just need to add 16 plus 8. We see what value we are going to get. So let me just rub on top. All right, so this is what we are getting after we add 16 plus what? Plus 8, you'll get 24. Then from here, since there is a plus or minus, so we are going to just separate them. X equal to 4 plus the square root of 24 over 2, or x equal to 4 minus the square root of 24 over 2. So I hope you are following what I've done there. Okay, so we have just separated them because we're having a plus and a minus. So 4 plus this divided by 2, or x is equal to 4 minus square root of 24 divided by 2. This is very easy. Then from here, x equal to, so here don't even waste time. Okay, just get your calculator, you add 4 plus square root of 24 divided by what? By 2, and see the value that you are going to get. Okay, so I'll use my calculator. Make sure that you are also punching on your calculator so that we get the same values. I might make a mistake as I'm punching on my calculator, so follow through. All right, so after you punch now on your calculator, 4 plus square root of 24 divided by 2, you are going to get 4.449489 742 78318. Or again, you punch 4 minus square root of 24 divided by 2, you get negative 0.449489 742 78318. So here we just now need to give our final answer. Okay, so remember the instructions in an exam. The instruction says if the degree of accuracy is not specified in the question, leave your answer correct to 3 significant figures. But for this one, it was specified that we should leave it to 3 significant figures. So our final answer is, therefore, x equal to, so the first one is 4 point, we write 4.4, so 1, 2. We have 2 significant figures. Now this number 4, we make it 3. So this 4 will be rounded off by the next number, which is 9. So if a number is equal to 5 or greater than 5, it round up the previous number, which is a 4. So 4 will become a what? A 5. Or x equal to negative 0. Okay, so negative 0.4, write a 4. Okay, so negative 0.4. The next number is a 4, which will also be a what? A 5. So these are the values of what? Of x. X is equal to 4.45, or x is equal to negative 0.45. So we have answered this question. We've come to the end of our short presentation. Thank you so much, everybody. Bye-bye.